And one Opelu so far. I didn't mark anything else in shallow spots. I'm heading out to the deep. I'm gonna throw out my Opelu now and see if we can hit anything while we're still looking for bait in the deep spot. Not the biggest Opelu, so maybe a Mahi. My hook's stuck in the scupper hole. Stickers. Perfect. $2.80.
Come out there to keep you active.
That was a big run, and it is straight down. My buddy caught a sheepy this morning, so hopefully is just taking me everywhere. Let me get him circled over here. Not yet.
Yeah, it's just the hook. It's probably hooked. Fall hook, maybe. Oh.
It's in his mouth. But he's just got a lot of energy.
Yeah! Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, he's probably 17, 18. Oh. Huh? I have a Kool-Aid if you want. Here, take an Kool-Aid. No, I have one Opelu and two Kool-Aid. Let's go, but take one and troll. Here. Man, he swallowed it. Yeah.
Maybe that's why too.
All right. Let's see, yeah. About 18 or 19.
Yeah. That sounds bison, yeah. Nice, boy.
Woo! All right, on again. On the surface. surface though. Mahi. Are you ready to come in already? It's coming. Nope. Nope. Got him. You're good, you're good. No, you're good, you're good. Not yet. Oh shit, my bait. I'm good, it's like 275. Dude, this is big. I'm not sure what this is. This was on my last bait, that akule. It wasn't a big bait either. This feels like a heavier fish. I don't want to say it, but it could be a shark. Pulsing. That's good. Could be a sheebie. It feels more like a sheebie now. Alright, I'm at my leader.
I'm heading back towards you.
Okay. You don't have to. I'm okay if you want to stay there.
Okay. I just hang out by the boat.
It's kind of towing me in, so it's okay. Oh, another run. And my leader is... Say again? I think it's a giant sheepy. It's on another run right now.
Okay, copy that. Just take your time, man. Are you getting through to the group and then I can come by you?
Woohoo! Big run right now. No, I'm going. He's pulling me shallow.
Okay, copy. Oh, fireball, fireball.
Hopefully this thing just didn't get sharked. I'm gonna battle this. I'll be back. Leader. That means he's about 100 feet away now. I don't want to lean over too much and mess up my center of gravity. Should be able to see it soon. I got him. He's a big boy. He may be 35, maybe 40. Woo!
Big fireball.
Ah, hell yeah. Where are you hooked? You swallowed him too. I'm gonna make my way in. I'm gonna turn my motor on while I do this. Clean them up.
Copy that.
I think I'm done with the weight in the back of my kayak.
Oh, you just put it by your pedal drive, you're good.
Woo! All right, let me clean this up and I'll be back. All right. My guess on this guy is going to be 35 to 40 pounds. How's that going? I'm going to let him cool down because I don't have much ice in there from the other fish. So I'm going to head in and get some more ice and woo, have some fish. That was my last live bait, and I don't think I can take any more weight in the back of my kayak. So a successful day. I think we're going to try again tomorrow as well. All right, shoots, laters.